Okay, we've got our head all sanded down. We touched up what needed to be touched up and sanded that down. So now we're ready to start with our base paint. So we have our head here that we're going to paint. We got our hands and the mouth. First thing you want to do is you want to take a damp cloth and you want to make sure you wipe everything off. Get all that sawdust off of there before you start painting. So wipe it down good with a damp cloth and then you can start painting. We're using just an acrylic craft paint here. You can get it in any craft store. We're going to use this for our base. So we'll start with this here. And we're going to do the mouth, the hands, and the head. And then if we need to, we'll touch it up with some 220 grit sandpaper if we have to. And then we'll give it a second coat. And then we should be ready to start to do our colors. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. And if you have any questions or comments, put in my comments section. I'll get back with you. So we're just going to continue to get this painted, and then we'll be back with the next step. Thanks for watching.